Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some cool noises that I can make only using my bare hands. And yeah, because I'm actually kind of bored, there's nothing to do really, and I just thought of this idea. So number one, I wouldn't actually say number one. Okay, wow, I'm dumb. So first one, I can actually whistle quite loud. I can do a loon call. So all you do, hands flat, no gaps, put your pinky on your knuckle like that, so on across there, and then close in here, close that, and then see how there's a hole? Put your lips up here, like here, and then just blow. I can make bubble sounds actually. Can do this. Still practicing this one. It's meant to make a clicking noise. Redo is that. I can do this. I can actually make like storms. I can beatbox. What is that? I can normal whistle. I can do this. I used to be able to water drop. I can't do it anymore. I can't do it anymore. I used to be able to do this. And I think so that's about it. Please like and subscribe. Don't click the notification bell so you can see our latest videos, and hope you enjoyed. Bye everybody.